Hi and welcome back to Tactics. This is a technical practice based on Barcelona and their runs beyond the opposition defensive line. The practice can run with any number of players. You can create more lanes or you can introduce extra players into the lanes that we're shown within this practice. We've got two lanes within this practice, and what we're looking for, the coach will play the ball in to the player at the end, and the passing player is trying to play the ball over the top of the mannequins for a player who is running beyond the mannequins to try and finish. You can create a competition between the two teams in terms of races or the number of goals that they will score throughout the round. Initially, you can do any touch finish, but we would encourage first time finishing within the end zone. But coaching points, we're looking for the two players to connect so they can scan and see the connected player so they can time the movements and time their pass. And that's where combine comes. So we're looking to progress forward with a lofted pass over the mannequins for our on running player to finish. Encourage the players to create angled passes onto angled runs rather than a straight pass onto a straight run. And then progress the session. We'll start using two players against the mannequins to try and let them work together to prepare the space behind. So a big feature of Barcelona's players, one player coming short for the other player to use that space and run in behind. So can the two players work together to prepare that space behind the defensive line? Outlined here is the practice structure and the practice stresses. So we would encourage using an offside line. Of course, that would be age dependent. And as we spoke about, allowing extra points for a first time finish in that end zone. This is the language that we would use throughout the practice to keep it consistent. Thanks for taking the time to watch this technical practice. We also have a skill and game practice as part of this collection.